Hello friend, it's Mark with Bridge IT Support with another cybersecurity tip for you. This one we're going to talk about firewalls. So what a firewall is it's a little device that sits between the outside internet, the cable coming into your building. It goes through the firewall and then it comes into your network and all your computers and your server inside your building. And the reason for that firewall is it is basically like a security guard. It's like a cop. It sits there and monitors all the traffic going in and out of your practice to make sure that none of them are bad guys. Now, it's not 100%. Nothing is 100%, but it does a pretty good job. But it needs to be an active device. There are some consumer-grade devices that are very static, and all they do is load the bad guys in them one time when you first buy the device, and then it never gets updated and it doesn't know who any of the new bad guys are. So the older it gets, the worse it gets at protecting you. So business class device is what you need to have in your practice, and that has active services. And what that does is every day it's constantly updating that firewall with all the new bad guys out there so it knows who to stop. Now, if you're one of our full service clients, you've already got this installed. We're already taking care of this for you. If you're not one of our full service clients, we will probably be contacting you soon to let you know that you have a device that needs to be updated, or feel free to give us a call anytime to ask what you have, and let's make sure that you're fully protected. And as always, thank you for your business.